A day before the monsoon session of the Parliament to begin, an all-party meeting is currently underway. It is being chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Also, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Commerce and Industries Minister Piyush Goyal, Leader of Congress in the Lok Sabha, Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury, TMC MP Derek O'Brien, DMK's Tiruchi Siva are also part of this all-party meeting for now. The monsoon session of the Parliament is set to begin from July 19th to 13th of August. The centre is expected to introduce 17 bills in this season, and while 9 bills are already listed for passage. This will be, however, the first session post the catastrophic second COVID wave where death and devastation were witnessed in April and May, and the opposition therefore is expected to raise multiple issues leading with the COVID mismanagement by the government at the centre, a slow vaccination drive now, and clearly the increasing inflation that has hurt the common man the most. Kamaljeet Sandhu will be tracking all the latest from the Parliament from tomorrow, but for the all-party meeting today, Kamaljeet, what precisely will be on agenda as of now? And do you think this time the opposition parties will be very geared up for what has been happening in the past few months?
Well, they already have. As a matter of fact, sources tell us the meeting has concluded. The opposition parties were very much present. This is an outreach which is done every time there's a parliament session, but obviously there has to be outreach so that the performance is there both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now, we do understand that the ex-MPs and media will not be allowed in the central hall, but the real challenge is not for the 17 bills itself. There is been heavy criticism as far as the handling of second wave of coronavirus is concerned. We saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi praise Yogi Adityanath, the UP Chief Minister. So that is something which has the opposition up in arms. We also know that as far as inflation is concerned, price rise is concerned, fuel hike is concerned, these are issues which are going to be taken up by the opposition. The other is obviously the Pegasus story, which is still awaited. Once that information is, it's likely that the opposition is up in arms against the government. For now, it looks like a stormy monsoon session of Parliament, but the government is willing to take it on, and we'll have to see whether the fireworks begin right from day one.
Kamaljeet Sandhu, with all the latest on that, an all-party meeting already on. Remember, the opposition has several issues this time. The question is, how will they want to raise it when the government will want to not be cornered at this point? Kamaljeet, thank you very much. For now, some breaking news coming in.